So, fresh images of the Mini 5 Pro have dropped once again on X, showing the drone hanging out with some new gear, ND filters, a charging hub, quick release props, and what looks like a redesigned battery. And with that mid-September launch window creeping closer, the timing couldn't be more perfect. The renders come from Igor Bogdanov, and they give us a crystal clear look at the Mini 5 Pro rocking orange-tipped propellers. There are also some close-ups of the accessories, a 3-slot charging hub, and a sleek ND kit, which lines up perfectly with previous leaks. Now, that battery is interesting. The latch design matches other leaks, and since DJI is rumored to be offering both standard and plus cells, it looks like they're sticking to the same ecosystem as the Mini 4 Pro. The earlier retail box shots even teased a 52-minute flight time for the Fly More Combo Plus. Sounds amazing, but with the heavier Plus batteries, some setups might tip the scale over that sub 250 gram mark depending on the region and configuration. Now let's take a look at ND filters. We're talking ND8, ND32, and even ND128. That last one is wild for a drone in this class. It screams bright daylight shooting, long exposures, and smooth cinematic motion blur. Basically, DJI is setting this thing up for creators who want pro-level shots right out of the box. On top of that, DJI ditched the old screw-on prop system and moved to a quick release design. A small tweak, but trust me, anyone who's swapped props in the field is going to appreciate it. Since we skipped pricing last time, let's talk numbers. In Europe, the standard kit should land around €799, same as the Mini 4 Pro. The Fly More with the RC2 bumps up to about $1129. Over in the UK, you're looking at around £689 for the base kit and $979 for Fly More. And in the US, leaks are pointing to somewhere between $749 and $799 for the standard combo, and closer to $999 or even $1099 for Fly More. If you missed my earlier breakdown, that's where I went deep into all the rumored features like the 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 FPS, and even LiDAR-assisted omnidirectional sensing. None of that is official yet, but with the way these leaks are stacking up, it feels like we're just waiting for DJI to rubber stamp the whole thing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.